Let me remind you, in the fraction, the number that stands on top is the fraction numerator. In our case, it is 1. The number that stands at the bottom is the fraction denominator, and it is 3. 2 is the whole part of the mixed number. To multiply the mixed number, we need to bring it to the improper fraction. To do this, we multiply the whole part by the denominator and add the numerator. And we write it all down over the common denominator. So, we get a fraction of 7/3. We substitute it instead of the mixed number. And 5 I will also write as improper fraction. This is 5 first. Multiply the fraction numerators and fraction denominators. We get a fraction of 35/3. In this fraction, the numerator is greater than the denominator. Let's allocate the whole part. 35 I will write it down as the sum of 33 and 2. I will write it down as the sum of two fractions. Divide 33 by 3, this is 11. And the addition sign can be omitted. I could get the same result in another way. I can write the mixed number as the sum of the whole part and the proper fraction part multiplied by 5. I will open the brackets and at the same time multiply all the terms in the brackets by 5. I write down this 5 as improper fraction. Multiply the numerators and denominators. 5 I write it down as the sum of 3 and 2. I write it down as the sum of two fractions. Here we get 1. And in the end we get the same fraction 11 and 2/3. We bring these mixed numbers to the improper fractions. Multiply the whole part of the number by the denominator and add the numerator. Leave the denominator unchanged. We get a fraction of 7/4. The same for the second mixed number. Multiply the whole part by the denominator and add the numerator. We get a fraction of 13/5 and substitute the resulting improper fractions instead of the mixed numbers. Multiply the numerators and denominators. I will write 13 as the sum of 10 and 3. 7 multiplied by 10 is 70. And 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. I add the resulting two numbers, so I got a fraction of 91/20. I write down the numerator in the form of a sum. Here I get 4. And the addition sign can be omitted. I get the product of multiplication 4 and 11/20. That's all for today. Subscribe to the channel, preferably to mine. Bye everyone.